Icera ria ugukurira atigireire mutito uyu wa Ragia ni wongererwo na miti 10,000. Utemi wa miti utari na kihariro ucungiriirie guthuka kwa maria maturigiceirie na mihango ya gucokia mitito haria yari no nginyagia inyitanirwo ni andu othe.
And I really want to commend the soldiers and officers of the Kenya Defence Forces who have over the past 10 years planted 25 million trees.
We appreciate that because us alone cannot actually make our forest to be what it is without support of others.
Minister wa ugitiri Rachel Mamo augite uyu ni umwe wa maundu maria maabitha mbiraru mekaga niguo gutigirira ni makuhiriria muingi na kumamenyithia uria marutaga wira.
The reason why we engage our soldiers with our communities is so that we can build up civilian-military relations. Our soldiers need to be partners with our communities. We need to bring the message of defense down to the grassroots.
Omamo ningi ugite he bata kunyitanira na muingi kuona thutha wa kuhanda miti ta ino muingi niguo utigagirwo wira wa kumirora ndigathukangio.
To partner with stakeholders so that the communities would look after the forests, the trees that we planted.
Ministry ya ugitiri ni irutire gucokia riri wa mitito ya Kibiku, Ngong, Thogoto, Ololua na Mareba iria megutigirira ni yagitirwo kuona ni gituge gia bata gia gutigirira njui iria muingi wihokete itinahwa. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.